Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you like my content. I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And today I have an exciting video for you guys. It is a tag that Elena Jenkins, I hope that I'm pronouncing that right. Here is her picture. Her channel will be right here, and the link will be in the description box down below. And she tagged me because she did a video where she had to do a makeup eye that was supposed to suit her zodiac sign. So she tagged me, so thank you very much, Elena. And I wanted to try it. I don't believe in zodiac sign at all. Yeah, I just don't believe in if you're born at that time and the planet or the line or whatever. I just don't believe in that stuff. But I think it's kind of funny to see what kind of look I can do based on what I'm supposed to like. So let's see what they're saying about my sign. I was born in December 17, so it means that I am a Sagittarius. So they're saying Sagittarius is one of the high-spirited zodiac signs. My element is fire, apparently, which symbolizes warmth and light. They rely on intuitions, instinct, rather than believing on forecast judgments. Fire for Sagittarian also closely relates to motivation driven by inspiration to achieve the goal present in life. We are optimistic. Well, that's not true for me. I have, unfortunately, the tendency to have a little bit of melancholy, you know. Anyway, they love and value freedom more than anything. They are cheerful, gregarious, enthusiastic people who welcome challenges. Well, apparently yes, because I'm doing this challenge. The color is supposed to be more like saffron, cornflower blue, sienna. So something really fearless and not pastel colors, but more vibrant colors. A little bit as their symbol, which is a centaur, you know, half horse, half archer. I don't know which one. Okay. So I'm gonna do that today. I think that I will not speak during the makeup because otherwise I'm afraid it's gonna be too long video. So what I'm gonna do one eye to see where I'm going, then I will come back, do the other eye, do the face, and we'll see what I end up doing, because at the moment I'm not sure. I have an idea, but I'm not sure. So I'll be right back for you. So the idea was to create something fiery, using vibrant colors, something fearless, a little bit of warrior type of makeup, you know. So something more graphic and artistic that I usually do. So I used the palette Carnival XL Pro from Bperfect, and I did 3 lines. I began with the lighter highlighter, then the first and the third line I used yellow, then orange, and for the red I used the one from the palette Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, the second one, because I thought that the pigmentation on this red was better. And on the second line I used a terracotta color instead of the yellow and the orange, and then I go with the red again. So here is where I messed up. The 3 lines were not aligned, so I cleaned it up, put some pillowy base on, and I redid the 3 lines in red. That's why it's not perfect. It's kind of bigger than I wanted, but anyway. And I put some black at the end to still create the effect of fire, you know, and a little bit of a warrior style. I wanted to use the blue that they talked about, and my idea was to create something still in the idea of warrior, fearless, want to intimidate the other person. And I thought about Braveheart, you know, the movie with Mel Gibson. I thought about the Native Americans, the paint of war that they put on their face. So I didn't want something precise, just like you put your fingers on the paint and you put it directly into your face. And I put the blue as well in the waterline to do a link with everything. I didn't want to have only red on my lips. I wanted to have the blue as well. And I thought of this kind of design still in the idea of the warrior, and it looks like a little bit of an arrow, I think. And I thought it was perfect with the idea of the archer. still don't know how to say that, from the Sagittarius symbol. I hope I did justice to my sign. Like I said in the video, I was really sorry. Ooh, kicked me pretty hard. Sorry. Yeah, like I said, I was really going for the warrior kind of makeup and something fiery, and they did say something about the blue. So yeah, I hope that you liked it. I know it's not perfect. I mean, you know, it's my first time. I'm trying with you guys. Yeah, like the video if you did like it. Share with a friend who love makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.